Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Nothing Phone 1 has a dual SIM slot. So in order to do this, first let's locate the slot, and it's on the bottom of the device right here. Now take the needle, which should be included in the box, and simply stick it in this gap right here. Don't mistake it for this one, as this is a microphone. So now let's try it. It should pop open like this. Now we can check it out and check both of the sides. So that's SIM 1 and that's SIM 2, and that confirms this device has a dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.